What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with Maccouture Crafting, and yes, today we're talking about one of my all-time favorite quiltresses, like all-time favorite of all the quilters in the world. This is one that ranks very high on my list. Matter of fact, I don't know if she's my absolute favorite, but she's got to be up there. She's got to be in like my top 5, if not my favorite. They're all my favorites. I love everybody. Jane Sassaman. I've been truly stalking this woman. You know, my Madame Mim quilt was based off of her style, and she's special. She's special to me. Again, she's one of my favorite all-time quiltresses, and I finally got a chance to see one of her quilts up close and in person. I did everything I could not to just weep because it was so beautiful to me. The one that I'm showing you right now is not the one that made me want to weep, but it's certainly very exciting to see 3 quilts. I got a chance to see 3 of her quilts, maybe 4, 3 for sure, at this show. This was in Houston, and you guys, it's something special. I think that the way that she does applique is just so cool. I don't know how she has a whimsical, it's whimsical. Some of her shapes are straight up whimsical, but at the same time, it exudes couture, it exudes elevation, it exudes elegance. She's got it. She can do it. And it's a trip because when you see her and you see all these quilts, you probably wouldn't put her with this quilt, which is what I like. Like, it's a sneak attack. Like, yeah, I did that. It's such a sneak attack. Wait until you guys look her up and see more of her stuff because she's just amazing. She is my quiltress. I'm telling you guys, I'm excited. So let's get into this quilt and celebrate it. This quilt is called Johnny Jump Ups, and it's again by Jane Sassaman, and this is in the Frank Klein collection. I got a chance to meet Frank Klein. Super cool dude. I hope that one day one of my quilts is in his collection too. He's got a really, really, really interesting collection. If you guys want to see more of it, check out the Long Beach show, 2022, maybe 2021. I don't know. Check it out though. His collection is in there. I don't believe I got a chance to see this one because I would have stopped in my tracks. Okay, let's get into it. Sorry. Very excited. It's Jane Sassaman. I might stop this. I might not. We shall see. Who knows? Who knows? The Frank Klein collection, and it is owned by Frank Klein. I'm just surprised. I didn't know that he had a Jane Sassaman in his collection. I wish I had a Jane Sassaman in my collection. This is definitely one of my favorites. Look at her use of color. Oh, let's get in close so that we can look at the techniques here. We've got some lovely quilting detail going across it. Oh, I am just obsessed with Jane Sassaman right now. Oh, sorry. I just want to stop and show you guys what I mean when I say whimsical. Look at this big, beautiful shape. It's not one that you wouldn't see at like in like Whoville or like the Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory. It's just a beautiful swirl. And I know that all of her stuff is inspired by nature. Look at how she repeats that swirl in the quilting in the background. Her use of the stitches that are actually built in the machine makes it make sense why you have thousands of stitches. She uses them. She's not afraid to figure out which ones go best. Lots of beautiful ways of doing a satin, like a satin stitch here. She quilts every single shape with 12 weight thread. I actually really enjoy doing a Jane Sassaman style quilt. I have another one in the works. Stay tuned for that. Look at the way that she layers her colors. They're not sitting right next to each other, but it's a nice little jump here, which adds so much depth and dimension. The use of colors, her placement, her layering, it's just amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. And I love it, love it, love it. You guys, again, Jane Sassaman is my absolute, just one of my favorite quiltresses. Her use of color, her use of shapes, the way that she goes about doing this. Now, I use my Cricut to cut out my shapes. She does hers with her hand. She has fabrics that also mimic some of these shapes. I just can't get enough of her. I just can't. I just cannot get enough of her right now. Ugh, love it, love it, love it. If you guys want to see more Jane Sassaman, please look her up. Please look up her works. They are extraordinary. Let's show her some love. You guys know what to do in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next one. All right, bye-bye.